Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to publish the customer reviews. Write down the customer review. Publish the review. Copy the article number. Now log into the backend. Go to Items and Customer Reviews. Click on Edit. Check on Accepted checkbox. Click Save. Now copy the article number and search it. Changes have been saved successfully. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.